Ongoti bezomthetho bathi umengameli kungenzeka ukuthi ufuna ukuguqula umthetho eyintweni ayishoyo njengoba ephosele inselele umbiko wekomidi ebeliphenya ngesigameko sasepharapara njengoba kusho umengameli wehluleka ukubika isigameko sokuphanga kwebiwa amadola semelike eplazini lakhe eminyakeni emibili eyedlule. Emaphepheni awafaka enkantolo umthetho sisekelo umengameli uRamaphosa uthi abantu kwakufanele bafaka amaphepha enkantolo kwakungabaphatha baseplazini ipharapara hayi yena siqu. Lo mbiko phakathi kokunye uthola ukuthi njengoba ingekho nje inombolo yecala elavulwa kuze kube imanje ubufakazi bokuthi indlela nje okwabikwa ngayo yayingekho emthethweni.
My sense is that the president is really contorting the law and I don't read section 34 of PRECA as putting that obligation on the management of the close corporation but rather on the member of the close corporation, because that would be the person who actually runs the business.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi leli komidi lakushaya indivu ukuthi ukwenza izinto engafanele kanye nokwephula umthetho sisekelo kulawulwa imithetho yokusebenza kweParliamente.
What the panel actually said is that there will be varying degrees in which bad faith can be inferred and that would be informed by the person's office, the seriousness of the charges, and a number of factors relating to the person's office and his responsibilities. So when you basically put the president's oath of office together with the type of violations that are considered in this particular instance, specifically the anti-corruption violations and the code of ethics violations, then you're in a situation where you should infer bad faith rather than seek to prove an intention of malice or bad faith on the part of the president.
Umengameli uphinde wachaza insolo ikalo wayinhloko yezomtloli kulelizwe uArthur Fraser njengenginasekelo. Wathi bekumele ikomidi lilethe ubufakazi obubambekayo obungaholela ekuthena suswe esikhundleni. Ikomidi ke lona lithi amandla alo awafiki kwalapho. uPhiri uyachaza ke ngezinto ezithile ezithinta ukwephula komthetho kanye nomthetho sisekelo wezwe. Njengoba imigudu yokushenxa kaMengameli wezwe eParliament ekulindeleke ukuthi iqalwe ngevoti ngoLwesibili, iqembu elibusayo lizimisele ngokuthi livote liphikisane nalo mbiko.